Here at Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we repair the screens of each generation of Asus ROG phones from patrons within Australia. Even customers from different parts of the world have also sent over their devices for repair. And with the upcoming release of the new ROG phone from Asus, you can be sure that our team here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre will be there to service any broken ROG phones. Let's talk about the new ROG Phone 5 and let's answer the question, where did the ROG Phone 4 go? Let's start with disclaimers first. All the specs that we will put up in this video are all assumptions and only based on insider information. Until we can have the actual device in the market, we can't be sure. So what is an ROG phone, by the way? To the uninitiated, this is an Asus smartphone that was specifically designed for gaming. Knowing that ROG stands for Republic of Gamers from the PC gaming sphere, you can expect the highest specs and performance out of this device. Just think of the ROG Phone 5 as the smartphone version of a gaming PC. Who is this smartphone for? For mobile gamers who needed the hardware to run competitive games in their smartphone. If you're a casual user, the aesthetic and the bulk might be too much. So when will it be released? The announcement will be on March 10 of 2021. How much will it be? No pricing was released as of the moment, but based on the release price of the previous version, the ROG 3, which was 1,500 Australian dollars, the ROG Phone 5 will be a bit on the higher end. Where is the ROG 4? Well, they skipped it because of superstitious beliefs. Unbeknownst to the rest of us, the number 4 is kind of an unlucky number in certain parts of the world. What are the specifications? Well, it will have RGB lighting on the back with pressure-sensitive zones. These are gaming triggers for activating different actions in the game. The display will be 144Hz AMOLED, of course, with a 6.87-inch Full HD display. If you didn't catch that, 144Hz is the main point of the display. Higher refresh rate means gamers can react faster to elements within the game. Your typical smartphone refresh rate is around 60 to 120 Hz. The chipset, Snapdragon 888. Internal storage, 256 with 12 gigs of RAM. Lower configurations are also available. Headphone jack? Nope. Battery, 6,000 milliamps. It can be charged faster with its own 65-watt charger. Other specs are close to current gen smartphones. So, are you interested in getting the new ROG 5? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, follow us on Facebook. And as always, thank you for joining. Till next time, cheers!